Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to activate market on Shopify. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Shopify, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Activating markets on Shopify is a straightforward process that allows you to sell in different regions, customize your store for various countries, and of course, manage international customers more effectively. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the bottom left corner where you can see the gear icon settings. Click that, and then all you have to do is click on the markets option on the left side panel of your dashboard. You see, you have the international market and of course the active market that you're currently associated your business with. If you wanted to add another market, you might want to click on this button right here that says add market, and of course all you have to do is choose the market that you wanted. All right, because by doing so you would reach customers worldwide, giving you access to a broader audience beyond your local market. This global reach increases your potential for sales and growth. Now, I'm gonna choose something like in Europe, or probably I'm not gonna be hovering to Asia for now. I'm going to use United Kingdom. I'm gonna click on add market. Market name is needed. All right, so how about this one? I'm gonna click on it and wait for it to save, and that's that. I have added another market here on Shopify. Now, activating multiple markets will allow you to optimize your store. If you hover to your store right now, for international search engines by tailoring SEO settings, for example, meta tags, URLs for different regions. Obviously, this increases your store's visibility in local search results. If you click on the online store right here, you would see that Shopify Markets enables you to set up different shipping options for each market, including, of course, tax calculations, ensuring that you comply with the local tax laws. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.